Hey beauties, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm partnering up with Bounce Curl to show you how to create a fun holiday hairstyle for your upcoming holiday festivities or virtual celebrations, so stay tuned and keep watching. So to create the style, you want to start on a clean fresh base, so apply the Bounce Curl Gentle Clarifying Shampoo to wet hair. So this shampoo will gently remove buildup from your hair and is packed with organic black seed oil, enzymes, provitamin B5, biotin, rosemary, pomegranate, and pumpkin, just to name a few of the ingredients. And you can see it has a high lather, so just massage that throughout your hair and rinse before moving on to the deep conditioner. The Ayurvedic deep conditioner, like the rest of the Bounce Curl products, is free from preservatives, silicones, paragons, sulfates, PEGs, TEA, MEA, and animal testing, and they are completely vegan and color safe. They're also rated a 0 to 2 on the Talk Dirty app, which means the products have clean, rated, pure ingredients that are completely safe and free of harmful chemicals, which is awesome. So the deep conditioner left my hair feeling so moisturized. I loved it. It smelled amazing. And it had great slip, so it was easy to detangle my hair in the shower. So just apply that throughout your hair and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing off. So now that your hair is nice and clean, you're going to create a side part. Then you're going to part off a section on the front side of your head. Next, you're going to part off small to medium sections of hair. You're going to dampen it a little bit if needed. And then you're going to apply the Moisture Balance leave-in conditioner to the section, which y'all, this stuff smells so good. I mean, all the products smell great. They just have such a pleasant, fresh scent to them. And the leave-in conditioner did such a great job in just moisturizing my hair. I love it. So after you apply that, you're gonna apply a little bit of the Bounce Curl Light Hold Cream Gel. So this is a very light gel that, as you can see, isn't thick or sticky at all. The product is 80% gel and 20% cream, and it will reduce frizz while leaving you with weightless hair. So just apply it throughout the section, then just brush out the section, make sure it's nice and detangled, and you're gonna create a flat twist. So to create a flat twist, just grab a horizontal section of hair at the top, then you're gonna split that into 2 sections. So you're gonna twist away from your hair, then you're gonna be adding hair to the bottom section and then twisting again. So just continue doing that same process until you reach the end of your hair, and then you will transition off into a regular 2-strand twist. So I do have a more detailed tutorial on how to do a flat twist, so be sure to check the description box below so you can check that out. So once you reach the bottom, you can create a little finger coil on the end to keep the twist from unraveling. So just repeat those same steps throughout the rest of your head, besides that front section that you parted off initially. So after you finish creating all of your flat twists, I did 4 in total, you're gonna part off a small section on the piece of hair that you have remaining. Then you're gonna apply a little bit of the products for moisture and hold, and you can create mini flat twists or cornrows, it's up to you. I'm gonna go ahead and do some cornrows. So you just repeat those same steps to create a few cornrows on the section. Then you're gonna allow your hair to completely dry before you unravel your twists. So you can decorate the braids with some hair jewelry and some wrapping thread to give your look a little bit more flair. And then you're just gonna lightly coat your hands with some oil and gently unravel your twists. Now to create more volume, all you have to do is separate some of the strands where they naturally want to separate until you've reached your desired volume. And I just love how soft and fluffy and moisturized the Bounce Curl products left my hair. Let me tell y'all, I was able to make this style last for a good 4 days without literally doing nothing to my hair. And I was working out in the process. So the products kept my hair moisturized, defined, and frizz-free. I loved it. So you can purchase these products at www.bouncecurl.com. So be sure to check the description box for more information on Bounce Curl. So you can either wear your hair as is with the decorated braids down to give your hair a different look, or you can pin the braids back and have a little braided decorated band going across the back of your hair. Comment below and let me know what you guys think of this style, and let me know what your plans are for the holiday during the pandemic. Let me know if you've ever tried any Bounce Curl products before, and let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at NaturallyChea. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays.